Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the powerful technology that runs the world's most advanced warehouses. We're going to look at how all those goods get from a delivery truck to your doorstep faster and more accurately than ever. And it's all thanks to a really sophisticated digital engine. Okay, let's get into it.
So, what really powers a modern high-speed warehouse? If you're just picturing shelves and forklifts, you gotta think bigger. We're talking about a super complex, high-pressure place where thousands of items are moving every single hour. The real power? It isn't just physical anymore, it's digital. It's this intelligent system that's orchestrating everything behind the scenes.
So over the next few minutes, here's our game plan. We'll start with the huge challenges facing modern warehouses. Then we'll compare the old tech with the new. After that, we're going inside the intelligent warehouse itself. And we'll wrap up by looking at its real-world impact and, importantly, what all this means for your future in logistics. All right, first up, let's really set the stage with the modern warehouse challenge. We need to explore exactly why the old ways of doing things, well, they just can't keep up anymore.
Just think about the demands of e-commerce and these massive global supply chains. Warehouses today are dealing with an absolutely incredible volume of goods. They're not just storage spaces anymore. They're these critical hubs for complex picking, packing, and all these multi-stage processes. And to keep pace, they have to integrate with automation. We're talking robots, conveyors, the whole shebang. And it all has to happen in real time. The pressure is just immense. So, what's the answer to all this pressure? Well, it's a system like SAP S4HANA Extended Warehouse Management, or EWM for short. You can think of this as the brain of the whole operation. It's designed specifically to handle everything from inventory to automation, giving businesses complete control right now in real time.
Now, this isn't the first warehouse management system ever created, but it represents a massive leap forward. Let's really dig into the critical upgrade from the old system, which was known as WM, to the new standard, EWM.
And the difference here is, honestly, it's night and day. The legacy system, WM, it was pretty limited. It could only manage one plant at a time, and it had pretty much zero support for automation. But EWM, it's a completely different beast. It can support entire networks of distribution centers, it has advanced logic for picking goods, and it was built for automation. This means it can literally command a robotic arm to pick a specific item from a precise bin, something the old system could never have dreamed of doing. So the crucial point to take away here is that this isn't just some simple software update. No way. This is a fundamental shift in thinking. SAP S4HANA EWM is really positioned as the future standard for how these advanced warehouses are going to operate. Okay, so we've seen why the change was so necessary. But now let's go inside the intelligent warehouse to see exactly how this system, EWM, orchestrates the entire flow of goods from start to finish. So imagine a product arriving at the warehouse. It all starts with an inbound delivery notice. Once the truck gets there, the goods are scanned at receipt. Instantly, the system uses what's called a put-away strategy to decide the absolute best place to store it and assigns a specific bin. Then, when an order comes in, the system guides the picking and packing, and finally, it manages the loading onto the outbound truck. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance where every step is planned.
And the level of control here is just incredible. EWM doesn't just manage the items on the shelves. Yard management actually controls the trucks and trailers outside the building, optimizing arrivals and departures. And material flow control, that's the direct link between the software brain and the warehouse's hardware muscle. The conveyor belts and robotic arms. It really is a total command center. Now, the intelligent part, that comes from its strategies. For put away, the system decides if an item should always go in the exact same bin or if it can be placed dynamically to save space. For picking, it can group hundreds of orders into these efficient waves to minimize the travel time for a worker or even a robot. It even uses a strategy called cartonization to automatically figure out the perfect box size for an order, which saves a ton on materials and costs. All right, so all these features and strategies, they sound really impressive. But what does it all mean in the real world? Let's pivot from what the system does to what it actually achieves for businesses. And we can see this impact super clearly through a real-life use case. There was this global logistics provider that implemented S4HANA EWM to completely transform their operations. And by using those intelligent strategies we just talked about, from automated bin assignment all the way to wave picking, the results were, well, they were staggering.
First, boom, they achieved a 20% increase in overall warehouse efficiency.
That's a direct result of the system optimizing every single movement, making sure that both people and machines are taking the smartest route every single time.
And if that wasn't enough, they also cut manual work in half, a 50% reduction. This is huge. That's that cartonization strategy, eliminating all the guesswork and the automated put-away, reducing tedious data entry. It frees up employees to focus on higher-value tasks that, automation just can't handle.
So how do they even know they achieved these results? Well, the system allows for constant monitoring of what are called key performance indicators, or KPIs. Managers can track everything, like order fulfillment rates and inventory accuracy, on these real-time dashboards. This lets them constantly fine-tune their operations on the fly.
So this technology is clearly changing how businesses operate. But what does it mean for people? Right? Let's talk about your future in logistics and how this technology is actively shaping careers as we speak.
A technological shift this big creates entirely new, high-demand jobs. We're seeing a huge need for EWM consultants who can actually design these intelligent warehouses, solution architects who can map out an entire supply chain strategy, and even specialists who just focus on integrating the mobile scanning devices used by workers on the floor.
And to land these kinds of roles, a whole new set of skills is needed. It's not enough to just understand warehousing anymore. Now, you need to know how to configure the system, how to use modern apps and scanners, and critically, how EWM connects with all the other parts of the business like transportation and quality management. And an awareness of automation in Industry 4.0? That's not a nice-to-have anymore. It's absolutely essential.
So let's end on this really powerful idea. S/4HANA EWM is all about transformation. It's about changing a warehouse from just a simple, passive storage location into a dynamic, intelligent logistics engine that powers our modern economy. The question is, as these engines get smarter and smarter, how will we adapt and evolve right along with them?